Hey, what's going on, guys? Lewis Ravenflame here, back bringing you another video. Today, guys, it's a more of a special video, that's for sure. Today, guys, I've got the next update. I've got the new update on, well, my 3D printed Beyblade. Before I get into that, though, I'm going to re-go over some of... I'm going to re-go over... how my 3D printed Beyblade has changed over the past couple months. Starting with its beginning design. As you can see, guys, it began with not much detail. Then I do believe... Nope, that's not the one. That's the one. Almost got ahead of myself there. Then we got the head added to it. Then we got the eyes added to the face of it, as well as the burst stoppers and some more detail. But now, guys, we have this. As you guys can see, while I attempt to position it in a way it needs to be, but I can't. So I'll just do this. As you guys can see, the face of it is gonna be gold. It's gonna be golden. We've got the burst stoppers down on the bottom there. Well, where they should be. We've got like 4 burst stoppers for the 2 rotations. Whoa. And then we've got by the looks of it, I'm honestly not sure, but the next update, guys, will be this with the final color scheme. But yeah. realign this with the rest. But yeah, guys. Anyways, let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section below. I know this video was a bit more of on the short side, but I was only really bringing you guys the new, somewhat juicy update. There isn't much longer to wait until it is in my hand and I open it for you guys. So, until then, guys, until the next and final picture I get, bay strong, well, bay hard, and, well, stay strong. Go out there and win, win, win. Until next time, guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified on when I upload content or go live. And don't forget to go check out my main channel, which is all about video games. But until next time, guys, peace.